What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Right, so today we've actually got a brand that's got a lot of hype around it. A lot of people have been asking me to do a video on this brand for ages now. They're actually a UK based brand not far from me in Bolton. They're called Represent. So I'm not sure if you've heard of them before, but it's more like a streetwear brand and the prices are of quite a high premium. They actually used to sell and stock their products in Selfridges as well, so it is a really high premium designer brand and the clothing is a little bit more expensive, so just bear that in mind for this video. We've got loads of stuff. We've got the 247 pant, the 247 jacket, a few other essential items as well, so let's get straight into the video. If you do enjoy it guys, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already, and let's find out if Represent is actually worth the high-end cost, the high-end prices that they're selling the stuff for, because to be honest, like 125 quid for a pair of pants, it's a lot of money, isn't it? Especially when you can get some from Arnclo for like 35 quid, get some joggers for Sullivan from 30 quid. It's expensive. Let's see if it's worth it. So guys, we're starting off with the 247 tracksuit. We've got a 247 jacket in like a charcoal grey colour, and then we've got the 247 cargo pant, track pant, in charcoal as well to match. I'm wearing a size large in the pants, and then I've gone for an extra large in the jacket. First impressions are the material feels really high quality. The details are really good as well. So the details on the zips, the pockets, just the quality overall does feel really, really nice, which is good, which you should expect for that price, do you know what I mean? The fit on the bottoms is concerning me a little bit because, don't get me wrong, they're super stretchy, really nice fabric, but the crotch is just a bit too dropped. So these are supposed to be a 247 pant, which means you can wear them all the time. You don't have to get changed throughout the day. That's why they've made them. So you can wear them to go to the gym, to go on runs, come back and do some work, like just running errands, stuff like that. But the crotch for me is definitely too low. But I think if you've got skinnier legs, if you're more of like a slim, thin build, I think they'll fit good. It's just like around this section, I always struggle on a lot of items around this section here, because I've got like quite big glutes, which is quite annoying. But yeah, the crotch is just a little bit too dropped. The fit through the leg is actually really nice. Like, it's not too tight. It's like quite a nice fit. There's a little bit of excess material like around the knee when you bunch it up, but I think it's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be a bit more of like a streetwear fit. The jacket is really nice, you know. I do really like the jacket. It's got zip pockets as well, which is a nice touch, and you can tighten the bottom as well, which is good because some of them flare out, which is a bit annoying, isn't it? Yeah, the jacket is a really, really nice fit. Don't know if it's worth 125 quid, like 125 quid when you can get stuff from like Manière Devoir, stuff from Arnclo for like a cheaper price, which is still really nice quality as well. I just don't know if it's actually worth like 3 times the price. Do you know what I mean? Like, obviously I know they're quite a well-known brand, they're quite a big brand, but the trousers for me, I'm not going to pay 125 quid for them. They're nice, the material is really nice, but yeah, I don't think it can justify the price. Anyway, let's move on to the next couple of items. We'll see what they're like. But we've got this new Represent like oversized t-shirt. I'm wearing a size large. It's actually a really nice t-shirt, you know. I do like my oversized t-shirts. I don't really wear them that much, but I do quite like the fit of this one. It's like a very nice fit, decent quality, like the Represent. Across the middle, and then we've got the 247 shorts, again in a size large. Like I said, the details and the quality of the material is really, really nice. Like, if I can get the zip to work. Yeah, really nice material, really nice details. It's just the crotch is a little bit too dropped for me, but you can't get clothes that are going to fit everyone, so they actually might fit you better than me, just because I have like quite wide hips, bigger glutes than normal, so that's why it's a bit different for me. But they are quite a nice fit, quite a nice material. I just don't know if I can justify the price still. It's a bit of a sore one, that, isn't it? A bit of a bitter pill to swallow. So next up we've got another like oversized t-shirt with a big graphic print on. Again, this is in a size large, fits me quite nice. It is oversized t-shirt, so bear that in mind, like t-shirts are going to be a bit more of like a baggy fit. I do like the design, the quality of the material, it's pretty nice as well, quite nice. And then we've got some trousers as well. These are the 247 pants but in olive, and these ones are the first versions they brought out, so they've not got zips at the bottom, they've actually got like toggles at the bottom, so you can make them tighter or you can have them just a looser fit if you want. It's up to you. I think I actually do prefer these ones to the other ones, the zip ones. They feel like they fit me better, do you know what I mean? They feel like they fit me better. They've got pockets, they're a bit like wider, I'd say, a bit of different pockets. Again, really nice detailing, zip pockets, which is a big plus. The material does feel so nice, guys. The crotch is just a little bit too, maybe if they brought it up like an inch, because then they're quite a high rise on me. I'm wearing them quite high, so if you brought them up just like an inch, maybe even like half an inch, I think they'd be perfect. I do quite like these ones. I do quite like them. I just don't know, still 125 quid for a pair of pants. It's quite pricey. So guys, the last couple of items we've got the Represent 247 jacket in black, and we've got the Zip 247 pant in black as well, like another tracksuit, same as the charcoal one to start off with. I just wanted to get it in black to see what it was like and see if they're very similar. So they're exactly the same. I tell you what, right, I definitely prefer the other 247 pant, the olive like green one that I have, this one that I just tried on. The fit of these I feel is much better, like it's not as tapered, not as tight through the leg, and even the material is slightly different. Like this is a lighter weight material. I just think like these are a better fit and they feel comfier as well. So yeah, I definitely prefer these ones, much better for me. These black ones are they're just a bit too tight for me. They're a bit too like tight around the crotch area. They need to come up a little bit, they're too high rise. Yeah, not my favourite pants, to be fair, not my favourite cargos I've tried. The jacket is really nice, don't get me wrong, jacket is really high quality. The pants are very high quality as well, the details are immaculate, but it's just the fit for me is not the best. Like especially when you're paying 125 quid, you'd expect like everything to be perfect, but it's not necessarily the case for designer higher end brands. Just because they've got a higher price point doesn't always mean it's going to fit you perfectly, do you know what I mean? Especially when it comes to like really expensive stuff, which is a little bit annoying, but that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here to try it all on for you, so you don't have to spend all that money and then mess about returning it, do you know what I mean? But yeah, the quality is really nice, and I feel like if you've got skinnier legs, if you're a bit more of like a skinny build, it's going to fit you really nicely. But for me, it's just not. It's not for me. It's just one of them, isn't it? So guys, that is everything from Represent tried on. My verdict overall is the quality is really nice, don't get me wrong, and the details are really good, but the fit for me just wasn't great. It wasn't ideal for me. It might just be me personally, it might be good for other people, I'm sure it is, because it's a brand that's doing very well. But yeah, I wouldn't spend my money on it, to be honest, especially for the price tag, like 125 quid for a pair of pants. I'd much rather go to Arnclo, 35 quid for a pair of those Luxe trousers, which are just so comfy. I know they're a bit more of like a different look, they're not a cargo trouser, but I'm sure there's other cargos out there for a much better price and similar quality. So for me overall, I'm not going to be spending 125 quid on a pair of pants. I can't justify it, especially if the fit isn't great for me, but they might be good for you. So I'm going to link all the stuff in the description if you want to go and have a look down there. This is not like a sponsored ad or anything from Represent. I just wanted to try all the stuff and see what it was like, so I bought it all myself. But as well, don't forget to check out Sulfit Clothing, guys. We've got the casual comfort joggers, which I cannot wait for you to get your hands on. So that is it from me today. I will catch you on the next video. Take care. See you later.